Asus has launched its new gaming-centric phone under ROG series in Thailand called ROG Phone 9 FE, with customizable anime vision on the rear panel. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The ROG Phone 9 FE features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus LTPO AMOLED display with up to 185 Hz refresh rate and up to 2500 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. The smartphone packs with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the ROG Phone 9 FE sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX890 sensor, and it supports gimbal optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 5-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 65 watts wired fast charging support and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ROG UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.8 by 76.8 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 225 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The ROG Phone 9 FE has been priced in Thailand at 29,990 Thai baht, and it is currently available for purchase in the country in phantom black color option. So, what do you guys think of this Asus ROG Phone 9 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.